In this video, we are going to have a look at vectors using A and B. In front of you, you can see a trapezium and it's got a few vectors labelled on, and they're also given in the description in the question. So OP is A, PT is B, and O to R is 3B. Now, with vectors, direction is really important. So for example, say I wanted PO, this would be minus A because it's in the opposite direction. I like to think of vectors as going down a path from one end to the other. So in our first question, we're trying to find the vector O to T. So what this means is we're going to travel from O down to T, and we're going to take a path that leads us down vectors that we know already or that we can calculate. So to get from O to T, we're going to go down OP and then along PT. Now O to P is equal to the vector little a, and P to T is equal to the vector little b. And so the vector from O to T is A plus B. Now we're asked to find the vector PR, again in terms of A and B. So what we want to have a look at is how we get from P to R using vectors that we already know. So I'm going to choose to go backwards down PO and along OR. So if I write this down, I've got PR is equal to PO plus OR. Now, because we're going negatively down that OP vector, OP, the other way, PO, is going to be minus A, and then O to R is going to be 3B.